Hydrogen peroxide, usually sitting unassumingly in your medicine cabinet, is more versatile than you might think. Beyond its classic role as a disinfectant for minor cuts and scrapes, it has a range of practical uses around the house that can save time, money, and effort. Let's dive into some surprisingly effective ways to make hydrogen peroxide your new household hero. Disinfect cutting boards. Cutting boards can be a hotspot for bacteria, especially after handling raw meat. Spritz hydrogen peroxide on the surface. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse. It's an easy way to keep your board fresh and germ-free. Brighten laundry. Hydrogen peroxide is a fantastic bleach alternative for whites. Add a cup to your laundry load to brighten dull whites and remove stubborn stains without harsh chemicals. It's particularly effective on organic stains like wine, sweat, and blood. Clean tile grout. For those hard-to-reach grout stains, mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda to create a paste. Scrub it into the grout lines, let it sit, and then rinse off. Your grout will look like new in no time. Eliminate stains on marble. Hydrogen peroxide works wonders on marble countertops, especially for removing coffee, juice, or wine stains. Soak a cloth in hydrogen peroxide, place it over the stain, and let it sit for a few hours before rinsing. Clean makeup brushes. Soak your makeup brushes in a solution of hydrogen peroxide and water for a few minutes, then rinse. This disinfects the bristles, leaving them clean and bacteria-free, a crucial step for clear skin. Sanitize kitchen sponges. Kitchen sponges are breeding grounds for bacteria. Soak them in hydrogen peroxide for a few minutes and watch as the bubbles get to work killing germs, helping extend the life of your sponge. Deodorize smelly shoes. Shoes can start smelling pretty funky over time. Spray a bit of hydrogen peroxide inside to neutralize odors and kill bacteria. Just let the shoes dry thoroughly before wearing them again. Disinfect toothbrushes. To keep your toothbrush free of germs, let it soak in a small cup of hydrogen peroxide overnight. It's an easy way to sanitize it, especially during cold and flu season. Clean glass and mirrors. Hydrogen peroxide cuts through smudges on glass and mirrors. Just spray it on and wipe with a microfiber cloth for streak-free shine, perfect for bathroom mirrors. Revitalize old towels. If your towels are looking dingy, a soak in hydrogen peroxide and water can refresh them, removing buildup from fabric softeners and deodorizing at the same time. Freshen the dishwasher. Pour a bit of hydrogen peroxide into the dishwasher and run a cycle to kill bacteria, mold, and lingering odors. This helps keep the machine clean and prevents funky smells. Remove mold from surfaces. Spray hydrogen peroxide on areas with mold, like bathroom tiles or under the sink. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then scrub away. Hydrogen peroxide is effective at killing mold spores without leaving a strong chemical smell. Whiten teeth. Mix a small amount of hydrogen peroxide with water to make a mouth rinse, or dip your toothbrush in a diluted solution before brushing. It's an affordable way to keep your smile bright. Just don't overuse it, as it can be harsh on enamel with repeated use. Extend the life of fresh flowers. Add a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to your vase water to keep flowers fresh for longer. It helps reduce bacteria in the water, keeping blooms perky and extending their beauty.